Hey, have you heard about the CUI incident that happened in April 2001 in England? Did you know that a pipe rupture caused a major fire and explosion, leading to a major health and safety and environmental incident? An elbow on a 6-inch line was ruptured after losing thickness due to CUI and led to the formation of a major gas cloud that eventually caused a major fire and explosion at the refinery. 180 tons of flammable material was released to the environment, and some people on site and off site were injured due to the fire and explosion incident. The root cause of the failure was lack of inspection on a CUI susceptible area on the piping system. Now the question is, do you think if you guys have covered all those CUI susceptible areas, or at least the majority of them, during the inspection at your plant? And generally speaking, is your team familiar enough with the CUI susceptible area and its concept in CUI? We have just released the comprehensive course called RBI in corrosion under insulation, and I strongly recommend you to take this course if you are interested in learning more about RBI and corrosion mechanisms like corrosion under insulation CUI. If you're interested, you can click on the link below, and it will take you to a page that provides you more information about that course. See you soon.